be cooking the Malaysian dish Roti Canai that usually originated from India but got adopted by Malaysia. It's also eaten for breakfast. Let's hop straight into it. So here we have got 250 grams of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar with a pinch of salt, 1 egg and 30 grams of milk. And now you just add all of it into a mixer. And then after that, you set it for 10 minutes, close the lid. And we also forgot you need 1 tablespoon of oil, add that in. And you also need some water. There you go. Now that the dough is ready, we need to start kneading it. But first off, we need to pour flour onto a board. This is called flouring. It's to make sure the dough is not sticky. So pour that on and then start kneading it. Just like that. And you just need to knead it for a few minutes with your hand. Now that we've kneaded the dough into a ball, we're going to put it inside this bowl with a damp tea towel over it for 30 minutes and leave it to rest. And then now, since we've left it to sit for 30 minutes, we're going to cut it into 6. So first off, just roll it like this. There you go. And now you have to cut it in half. And I'm just gonna put the half in for now. And then now I do the same thing again, just rolling. And now cut it into thirds. And then now instead of thirds, just roll them up in a ball. That with the other piece. Now that all the dough has been rolled up into 6s, we're going to get the oil and then plop it inside there. That's it. And now we just have to wait for 1 hour. Now that we've left the dough for a few hours, now we're going to stretch it. So first off, we place some ghee, which is usually used in Indian dishes. This is how it's like when it's melted. Just place it inside it. And now you have to grab the dough, place it down, and then flatten it. And you have to sort of make it into a disc by spinning it in circles. Like that. And once it's big enough, you can just start stretching it. It also has to be in a disc shape like that before you can do it. So you have to stretch it out. And you can tear it a bit with the holes are. And once you think it's good enough, you can just put some ghee on it. And just repeat that process for every one of them. Now it's ready to cook the roti. And it's just going to be cooking for a few minutes.
Few moments later.
Now that we cooked the roti, we need to do something called slapping it. This makes it fluffier and it also makes it just crispier to eat. Now your roti is ready.